Hello guys, welcome back again. How can we solve this? This is word problems leading to fractions. A farmer has a plot of land. He used 1/4 of it to plant maize. He used 2/5 of it in planting yam and 1/3 of it in planting cassava. How many plots of land was left fallow? Now look at it. This is an event that took place. So underlined, a plot there means an event. That is, in mathematics, it means one. So therefore, we have to denote all this now to be one event that occurred when you were not there. So one of the beautiful things of mathematics is that it can help you to discern or estimate what will happen or what had happened. Now, let's look at this together now. Now, the first thing you shall do now is to denote each statement, because we have 3 statements inlined inside this question. So we have to pick it one after the other. Remember, 1/4 in mathematics means 1/4. So 1/4 is written as 1/4. Now the next statement there, he used 2/5 of it in planting yam. So 2/5 is written as 2/5. 2/5 is written as 2/5. Then the third statement there, which is 1/3 of it in planting cassava, will be written as 1/3. 1/3. 1/3. Now, how many plots of land was left fallow? So we now had these 3 fractions together, then subtract it from 1, because I said earlier that an event that took place, a plot. So that phrase, it means that a plot means 1. So we now move by adding these 3 fractions, then subtract it from 1. Then the first thing to do here, I think the denominator we have 4, 5, 3. So now, in order for us to find the LCM of 4, 5, 3, I think the LCM of 4, 5, 3 will be what? Will be 60. Are you getting me now? So we now say, how many 4 can we find in what? 60. How many 4 can we find in 60? So before we continue, please, I want to apologize for some things, because for now I have not been around. So my fans, I'm very sorry and I apologize. In fact, you guys need a lot of apology from me. I am very sorry. So as from this moment now, I'll be releasing videos in mathematics, physics, further maths, chemistry, and so on and so forth. So therefore, I need your beautiful encouragement. So continue encouraging me on this page to always what? Put fantastic mathematics problems, physics, chemistry, so that you can pass your exams. Any exam at all that you want to write, any common entrance, WAEC, NECO, GCE, TOEFL, GMAT, NAPTEP, and name it, you can find it in my channel. So I need your encouragement by liking it, sharing it to others that need this particular mathematics. As you can see, it's so attractive that you can easily understand. So I promise that by next video you shall see me live. My face will come live. So as I said earlier, that you shall find the LCM of what? 4, 5, and what? 3. And the LCM of 4, 5, and 3 will be what? 60. So how many 4 can you find in 60? That's 15. 15 times 1, 15 plus. How many 5 can you find in 60? 12. 12 times 2, 24 plus. How many 3 can you find in 60? That is 20. 20 times 1, 20. All over 60. So you now add the numerator, 15 plus 24 plus 20. That's 59 over 60. That's what you have there, 59 over 60. So now that you haven't done that, you now will subtract this 59 over 60 from where? From 1. Because I said it earlier that this is an event that took place that you were not there. So one of the beautiful things of mathematics is to use the knowledge of mathematics to discern the future and also what estimate what had occurred Now, the part of the plant that was left fallow now will now be what? 1 minus 59 over 60. The part of the plant that was left fallow will now be what? 1 minus 59 over 60. So now when you check 1 minus 59 over 60, I think the answer will be what? 1 over 60. As you can see, it's very easy, my friend. Very easy and very attractive. Yes, the part of the plant that was left unused, that's the word fallow there, unused, is what? 1 over 60. As you can see, you were not there. You didn't know the farmer, and still you can also know the part of the plant that was not used. So guys, have a nice day. Keep on enjoying my channel. Please don't forget to watch, to like, share, and continue to encourage me to bring beautiful mathematics words to your doorstep.